One of 70 dogs rescued from a Fond du Lac County home earlier this month has died. I'm your Fond du Lac neighborhood reporter, Margaret Cahill, and the sheriff's office says depending on veterinarian reports, they may pursue criminal charges.
The East Shore Humane Association says many of the dogs have been receiving treatment for lacerations and broken bones, and the one that died likely passed from an infection due to unsanitary conditions in the home.
There was a laceration from the mats, from the neglect in that house. So we were treating it with antibiotics, trying to get it well, but it wasn't enough.
Shelter employee Akaya Schmidt says an autopsy will be performed, and law enforcement will review that report as well as other veterinarian reports about the conditions of the dogs.
It was sad news. We really were hoping that all the dogs would turn out to be okay in the end.
The Fond du Lac County Sheriff's Office says depending on what they find, they may refer charges against 93-year-old Alice Stenz and 84-year-old Patricia Tinnitus. A Fond du Lac County judge has already ordered they must give up ownership of the dogs and pay more than $27,000 for their care. In an exclusive interview, NBC 26 spoke with both women.
These are my children.
Who said the dogs were well fed and cared for, and they were rescuing them and breeding them. But there's still concern in the town of Calumet.
I got to do the right thing here.
The women have at least 2 more dogs, and the sheriff's office says 2 dogs is allowed. But because of conditions in the home, Town of Calumet Constable Mike Mullenbach says they're considering taking further action.
Because it became a town issue at this point.
Mullenbach says the town meets Tuesday to decide whether they can legally remove the other dogs. East Shore says they're willing to help.
We are in constant contact with all the agencies involved, so we are ready for whatever call may come our way.
Schmidt says while some dogs still need medical treatment, most are healthy and they've received many adoption applications. In Chilton, I'm Margaret Cahill, NBC 26.